Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to be testing this level 7 DMR build on a Scar H. You can see that build here. It's NGRS, and we've got, just connect up a battery. So on this one, we've installed upgraded mainspring. For this one, obviously the customer requested an FPS, which we unfortunately weren't quite able to achieve. We've put the full M140 in, which is the biggest spring that we do. We've got the HOP kit from PSIONIC. We've got the Prometheus inner barrel 300mm. We've got the FPS. We get the FPS bushings, we've got the Prometheus hard gear set, we've got the EagleSix upgraded Recoil Spring set for a slightly harder kick effect. We've got the upgraded spring guide, upgraded piston head, upgraded piston, cylinder head, and we've put the cylinder in there, the full type cylinder. We've got the NGRS gate tighten inside there, the expert, for obviously the sharp trigger responses, though we'd probably still recommend maybe running this one on 11.1 just for that even crisper trigger response, which people like on DMRs. We've got the warhead brushless motor, high speed, the long type, and we've got a Prometheus trigger in red installed with slight modifications there just to get it M4 trigger in on the Scar, and we're just going to be testing it. It's got some 4.3s in there at the moment, which is chronoing at 303 feet per second on 4.3s, and obviously locked to a single shot as a result. So obviously it's a nice FPS that's shooting well at range because I've tested it. And even though it's about 30 down on obviously what you'd ideally like, it does open you up to obviously using lots of different sights, because obviously it's a little bit more compatible in terms of DMR limits. There'll be a few more places. There's obviously not many places in the UK doing 500 for DMR, and obviously that 30 FPS would have been nice, but like I said, it's only extra damage. You're still able to do that range, and I certainly wouldn't want to get shot at 70 meters with one of these at 303 FPS on a 0.2. Someone's going to demonstrate it. And the reason they've got minimum targets there is it's going all the way through our padding down the back and denting the wood. Mental for DMR. So yeah, cool. So hopefully that build's okay. Like I say, slightly short on the FPS, but it's tested at range. It's still hitting really hard because obviously it's 303 feet per second on a 0.43, and yeah, it's going out to the range. We've tested it at range, and yeah, hopefully that's okay for you. And yeah, we hope you enjoy the build. Thank you.